I'm so excited to be here with 5 of our 7 playwrights for Creature Mountain and the Slime Corporation.
Some of the things I helped write is my character myself. I helped write the rising star scene.
And I helped edit a lot of the scenes and just put the story together.
I helped make some of the nature scientists, like Zoya and Sammy, and I helped edit a couple of the animal scenes.
I helped write Mike and John, one of the 2 characters in the corporate bosses. I helped write a monologue and a scene for the corporate bosses, and I kind of put in some ideas and information for the play itself.
I made a cohesive first draft, and I put all the scenes together, filled in all the holes, created a bunch of new characters.
This was a true collaboration, and we created character monologues, we created synopsis ideas, and we used that to fill in, add in, and after all of you were done, I went through and edited and re-edited, making sure each character cohesively made sense throughout the scenes. But I wasn't the only one doing that. All of you were also going in there and finding ways to make it make sense. We really collaborated on this so beautifully. You really should all be so proud of yourselves, and I'm so excited to see this show come to life.
Thank you.